everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys another way to do the magic ring. Now I have done a few tutorials in the past on the standard magic ring, so this won't be that tutorial. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a slip knot. Just like that. First we're going to start with a slip knot. Then we're going to take the tail of this yarn and we are going to create a little loop like so across the front of our work so that our tail lies to the left side of the work. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is come down, work in to the loop. I want to pull up my working yarn and chain one. Okay, and depending on what stitch you're working on, you would chain up to that stitch height. So I'm creating a second chain here. Alright, and then I'm going to create a third chain here, and I'm going to make a double crochet into this ring. Alright, now you don't have to put a death grip on that tail because your loop is secure, and if you did it right, you should be able to tug on it like so and adjust this center loop. Alright, and once you get the amount of stitches that you want into your ring, you would just cinch it closed like so. Alright, I'm going to do that again. Alright, so again, we are going to start with a slip knot. We are then going to use the long tail of that slip knot to create a little loop in the front, just like this. Okay, then we are going to work into that ring that we made. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Oops, let's not lose that. Okay, and you're going to pull through both of those loops. Now if you want to make a higher stitch, you can just chain, or you can do the alt chain method if you know how to do that. I have a chain of 2 this time. I'm just going to work into my ring with a half double crochet, but at this point it is secure, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart. Alright, and if you did it right, the ring should be adjustable if you tug on it. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it really supports the channel and it lets the algorithm know that I am still worthy. If you want to see more from me, of course, like I said, subscribe. But you can also check me out over on Instagram where I post whip pictures and crochet projects, as well as give you guys updates on pattern releases and shop updates. Alright, I think that's all for today, and until next time guys, happy making.